What is going on, guys? So tonight's video we're doing a quick unboxing. We have a new sponsor. It's from TES Studio, and today we are unboxing their rear bumper spoiler for the model Juniper. And this is the there's a three-piece system, and it's basically a kind of like a diffuser slash valance three-piece right here. One covers the tow hitch, the other one covers right under the brake lights and the reverse lights. But here we go, let's do a quick unboxing. And again, apologies for taking so long. They sent it immediately, but it's been snowing, a lot of salt and everything like that. It's cold, it's not going to stick. So it's still cold, but what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to try to install it right after work. And I'm at a parking lot and all that, so hopefully it works out. Should be warm enough for everything to stick, but this should be the first piece. This should be the second piece. And this is the third piece. Other than that, nothing else. Again, TES Studio, thank you for sending this for us to go ahead and take a look and install. 3M tape, instructions. Here are the instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. Clean it, wipe it down. Maybe some adhesion promoter. Okay, ABS plastic and all that. Has a 3M within here. Okay, and do I need any of this? If you do, then this is how you are supposed to do it, right? Other piece right here, same thing. The thinner 3M strip is right here. Along comes the rest of this like that, so I'll have to see if we actually need all this tomorrow, but there you go. Alright, so here goes. This is the instructions right here. Alright, so it's going to install like that. This piece. And this piece. Alright guys, this is my MacGyver solution. Tripod. I will mount this on like that. Now, take a look at this one. Does it fit? Yeah, looks like it's like that. So mount on like that. And it basically covers the whole tow hitch cover. And I might hold off on this one because I gotta see what I'm gonna do with this baby on board decal, but it looks nice, I think. I can't go the other way, right? No, I can't go the other way. So it goes on like so. Maybe I could just freeze frame it. But what I'm gonna do is I will install. You can see it. So we're gonna fit this under like that. And it fits like a glove. Definitely fits like a glove. So this fits like a glove right here. I'm just gonna peel everything off and kind of just stick it on. So you see from side by side on the right, you can see that I've already installed something. Now I'm going to fit the other piece right here. So I don't know why it says R, but I'm guessing it's, if you're looking at the car from the front, then it's considered the right side. But here you go. This should be very, very simple. Everything should be very, very simple. And that's it. Alright, we're just going to hold it there for a little bit. Then let the glue do its work. I am not sure if I should put this on like that. Not quite certain. But here's how it looks. It's like if I don't put it on, it might look disproportionate. But if I do put it on, it's kind of more difficult to remove in the future. Because I've seen some lights in the middle. That's also something. So if you want to install some aftermarket brake light, then you have to take this off. So there you go. This is, and it sticks. It's on pretty good. So what do you guys think? Before and after. Alright, so let's try to see if this is sticking. Yep, this sticks too. Oh, maybe not as much. Maybe I'll just push it in a little bit. I mean, it looks pretty nice. And it's all, again, from TES Studios. They've been very patient with me, waiting for me to install this. But again, it's also getting late. It's 31 degrees and it's right here, so I might go ahead and just install it. Let's see, how does it look? Like that. What do you guys think? Or maybe I'll wait until, but for now, here's how it looks. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so we are home. We've been using this for quite some time, and just want to give you guys an idea of how it looks with the middle part of the 3-piece valance put on. Now, I'm not sure if I want to stick it on for now, so that's why I give a whole big picture before doing anything. But so far, it's been holding up pretty well. Another snowstorm, as you can see from all the salt, but there's another snowstorm this weekend. So far it's holding up pretty well. I like it. It does give the regular Y a pretty aggressive rear end. And it's a pretty solid piece of plastic. And here you go. This is the clean version. And this is the dirty. I'm supposing it's gonna wash off just like that. And if you guys wanna look at everything without the piece, here it is. Alright guys, so that is it for the install video. Hopefully you guys found it useful, but thank you so much to TES Studios for sponsoring this video, and the fact that they gave us this rear valance to go ahead and install and test fit for everyone, for my viewers. I would definitely recommend the product because I think it's quite easy to install. It took me really a quick minute to go ahead and install. I installed this again in the parking lot because it was been so cold. But just make sure it's warm for the 3M tape to stick on pretty good. Otherwise, it's really good quality. I really like that the 3M tape is thin enough that you could go ahead and apply without any type of additional work, no drilling. Now, I do have the middle piece that I showed you guys, whether or not you guys want to put it on. I think it really complements the back. But for now, I think I'm going to go ahead and just leave it out. I need to go ahead and see what to do with the tow hitch cover and see if I wanted to go ahead and put an additional brake light there. But on that note, if you guys are interested, TES Studio is offering a 20% coupon right now, which is TES20. But If you go ahead and use my personal affiliate code, ilimit, you go ahead and get 35% off, I believe. So let's see, 283, you can put in my personal code, ilimit, click apply, brings it down to 212 and a quarter. So definitely go ahead and check them out. On that note, thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.